What it is, y'all, you know who it is, man. It's your boy Orlando, man. I wasn't even supposed to be recording this weekend, but I said I want to be so transparent with y'all. Y'all feel like y'all out here, man. Y'all experiencing this with me. So check me out. I'm in Texas. Maybe stuck in Texas for the weekend. Don't ever let none of these brokers get you stuck, or dispatcher, whoever you use. Don't get stuck. Usually over the weekend where you get your money. You get that big load, drive. It might be like going like 1,200 miles. You got the whole weekend to drive. You know? So this is what happened though. Yesterday, which was Friday, today's Saturday, I booked the load. Bam. I'm going to go get the load. I talked to the broker, broker said, all right, yeah. You should be good when you get there by this time. I got there by that time. I get to the parking lot, pull up. I said, what the heck? Parking lot empty. I'm from the back where all the trucks park up. Empty. I said, man, what the heck, man? I'm knocking on the doors, nothing. So I drove around in front. No cars. I said, oh no. Oh, hey, these brokers ain't your friends, man. I ain't gonna lie. I be beefing with these brokers in my head, man. I don't even like these brokers, man. Brokers, they dirty. They play a dirty game, man. But look, so I called the broker, let him know what's what. He said, look, they left. They were supposed to stay, but they left early. He lying. He probably already knew that. They like to play you like, yeah, I'm gonna get a book for Monday already. They like to play you, man. So I said, look, man, I'm gonna need to pay for a little bit of everything. Detention pay, toner pay, everything. Those are little extra pay for wait time, you know, driving there. I said, I need all that. So they said, these are the options. He give me toner pay, and I go about my business. Or he give me all that with the detention pay and all that, whatever, and I pick it up Monday. Me being me, I said, yeah, I'll pick it up Monday. And look, these brokers will cut you off quick. So I'm thinking the same way. I'm not even gonna lie to you. If I find a load today, I'm out. Forget him. That's how I feel right now. These brokers, I'm beefing with the brokers right now. I'm beefing with the brokers. I don't like brokers. Those are ops. The brokers are my ops, man. These brokers, man, they grimy, man. They are the most grimy. Listen, let me tell you something. Being in this trucking industry make you really realize how people are. They greedy. They super greedy. Like, shoot, them brokers might be getting $20,000 for a load and give you $1,000. Yeah, it's like that. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, but I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little vlog for my weekend. I'm currently at Walmart right now. I'm about to go buy some headphones because I left my AirPods at home, and it's kind of like driving me crazy because I don't have nothing to listen to. Like when I'm driving and talking, it's like it's not the same. People can't really hear me because the truck is loud. Then I bought some cheap headphones from Walgreens, and they so low when you in the gym. Like I can't even put them on when I'm driving because they so low because the truck's so loud. The truck is louder than them. So I'm gonna go buy me some headphones. I ain't gonna buy nothing crazy. I really see some headphones at the truck stop I want. They're like $259. I said, no, Lando, it's not in our budget right now. Don't buy that. But I'm tempted, man. I'm tempted. But I'm gonna go ahead and buy me some headphones. About to go hit the gym. It's a Crunch around here. I've been trying to get in the Crunch through my app. You know, I use the app. I forgot what it's called. You know, I pretty much go to any gym in the area I'm in. Not any gym, but it has certain gyms that's on their plan. And this area has Crunch on it. I've been trying to get in the Crunch. It's a nice Crunch by my house. Oh, I came in through the back. I'm signed up with Crunch now. I'm signed up like 5 gyms. I mean, it's $25 a month. That's it. So with this program, it's called I don't even remember, man. I probably put it in the descriptions or something. But I'm going here, get some headphones. I'm gonna hit the gym. I said I'm chill for the day. Y'all might well see what's going on. You feel me? Hold up. Hey, this is my price right here. So I need some headphones for the truck too. But I ain't gonna buy it. I'm just playing, y'all. Yeah, might not, maybe not. Some more. I found some more. Trying to kill 2 birds, 1 stone. Wire. No, we don't need wire. That's the Walmart shop. I ain't even show y'all which one I got. Got some cheap ones. Cause I know the green ones at the truck side I know I want. It's just a matter of time before I just suck it up and say, you know, I'm gonna get them. So I bought these more so just to have something. They're gonna be my backup. I know I'm gonna get them in. I know I am. I'm gonna get them. I might not get them from the truck stop, but I might get them from off the official site or from somewhere else. Yeah. These are headphones I got, y'all. We're gonna see how they work, man. We're gonna see how they work. Got me a little bag. You know, just throw my toothpaste, toothbrush in, wallet, stuff like that, important stuff. I got an orange one, but this thing got dirty, and all I can do is wash it, but you know, black is always better. Look, I like a trucker now. It's really a game headset, but it is what it is. We're gonna use this. It sound good. I just turned the music on. It look like it's a little too small for my head. You know, I got a normal size head, and everybody else's head is super small. You know, but yeah, man, we're gonna work with this right now, man. We budgeting right now. We ain't hit a mill yet. When we hit a mill, maybe then we can buy them that 264 or 259, whatever it was. But yeah, I dig. I just turned it on. Hear my music. Sounds clear. I'm about to call somebody and find it out right now, though. Yeah, we here, y'all. We here. Here. Let's go back there. I go get it. That's my little something there, major. Ain't crazy. Yes, people, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy Lando. Hey, okay. Workout is done. I know I didn't record any of it. I like to be focused when I'm working out, and me keep recording and stopping, workout, recording. It's a distraction. I like to be in the zone. When I get in my zone, hey, I'm in the zone. I don't even like to call it. My wife can tell you that. You liable to get snapped on if you don't make it quick. Hey, what's up? You good? What's up, man? What you want? Yeah, that's me. If I'm in the gym, I'm in my zone, I'm already, you know, so I didn't get to record much, but it definitely was a good workout, you know. Did leg day today. Today was leg day. You know, that's one of the things I commit to. Leg day, cardio, and the rest, the other is in between. Cause I do push-ups every day anyway, so I guess that's chest. Man, gosh, I gotta get some lotion. I guess that chest, I guess I could do some arms and shoulders in between. Those fit in somewhere, you know. But I was leg day. I'm coming back tomorrow and knock out bicep, tricep. Might throw some shoulders in there, you know. Some back, you know. Everything. Tomorrow might be an all-purpose day. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do what you can. So that's it, man. Good workout. While we get something to eat, I see a China buffet. No. You know I'm greedy. I haven't ate yet. It's after 1. I ain't breakfast, I ain't eat lunch, I ain't eat dinner. More than likely, what I'm about to eat right now is probably it for the day. Come to eat. You know, since I've been on the road, I don't eat much because there's not much good choices to eat. You know what I'm saying? So I usually just eat once a day for the most part, or a snack. It's not that much to eat, but I might go eat something right now, man. I'm hungry. See, I was coming down. You see the volume coming down. I mean, I'm hungry. I'll eat something real good. I might record, might not record. Y'all see next video, the next clip. No socks, of course. You know me. Right there. supposed to be eating cheese. But, you know, this got cheese too. It's all fish, and I don't eat meat, so. Yes, sir. I came. I saw. I conquered. That's not food, but. Now I'm about to go. This is like a mall. I'm about to go walk the mall a little bit. So if I go back to truck stop, I'm just gonna be sitting down with all this food I just ate. Walk the mall, walk this food off a little bit, you know, let it go down a little bit. That's right. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. As you guys can see, this is a barbershop. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm a former barber. Well, shoot, I'm still a barber. And I'm a barber at heart, and barber is it is my first love. And this barbershop right here says me all the way. Because I'm also a former sneakerhead, and this barbershop has everything that says Orlando. Sneakers and barbering. You know what? Business things. I might just open up another barbershop, man. I had a salon before. I'm open up I think a barbershop company. What the deal, y'all? What the deal? What the deal? I ain't even end the day off with y'all yesterday, man. But look, your boy's in the hotel, man. Look, it was too hot. I couldn't sleep in the truck. It was too hot, so what I did, I rent me a hotel, man. Rent me a hotel. I enjoyed the day. Yesterday was a good day, man. Drove around the town, went to the mall. Oh, I'm sure y'all probably already. Oh yeah, I'm sure I'm showing it already. Went to the mall, good little thing. Seen a barbershop. Yeah, I like, you know, I'm a former barber. I'm still a barber, man. I'm a barber at heart. You feel me? So, yeah. But yeah, I got me a hotel, man. It was too hot. It was way too hot. And on top of it, I had to make sure I get a good night's sleep. I look rough. Boy, I had to put this hat on. I don't want y'all to see, because I've been out here 3 weeks. 3 weeks, man. I'm going on 3 weeks. Your boy look rough. I'm gonna tell you, I don't look like this. I'm a twice a week type guy. Oh, sorry. I watched a little movie. I'm a twice a week type guy, you know what I'm saying? I used to cut my hair twice a week. Boy, I never looked like this. I promise you. Rough. It's all good though. We ain't tripping. We out here getting money. I ain't worried about that right now. Back in the day, boy, I wouldn't have let this out. Not me. I'd have found me a barbershop, but you know, priority to switch it up. What's important, I had switched up, you know. So that's what we got, man. I might go eat some breakfast too. Free breakfast. I'm taking advantage of that. Usually I don't eat before I go to the gym in the morning, but you know, I'm gonna go eat some of this free food, then hit the gym. What you know about footing it? I'm going right there, right across the street from my hotel, but I gotta walk all the way down here and walk around. I'm not driving the truck. It's a way you could drive your truck too. When y'all do it. It's called personal. Man, we'll talk about that one day. But yeah, I'm footing it right now. Literally across the street from the hotel. I gotta go way down there and come all the way back around. It's all good though. You know what I'm saying? It's warm. You better believe we out here now. A little footing ain't never hurt nobody. Hey, this the warm up. I'll talk about y'all in a second. What the deal, y'all? What the deal? What the deal? It's Sunday. You know, we continue this vlog, man. Y'all with me the whole weekend, man. So I didn't record this morning, but I went to the gym. I had to walk down. You know what? I might drop that video somewhere around here. I think I recorded a little bit walking to the gym. I did, yeah, I sure did. So I'll drop it after this. So I went to the gym, got it in, you know, walked back. So now it's time to go eat dinner, man. I'm gonna go find me something to eat. Going at the same spot, yes, all you can eat, hey. Going back there, and after that, I'm gonna go either grocery shopping first or fill up my tank. I'm going grocery shop and fill my tank up with diesel, you know what I'm saying? I got a special diet that I'm about to knock out. I'm eating special things. If you know, you know. Kingdom business. But so I gotta go find the things I can eat, cause majority of that stuff I won't be able to fine on the road like that. Maybe just fruits. But yeah, so yeah, that's what I got going on. I go eat some food, get right. You know what I'm saying? Come back. You know, after I come back, I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the day and get ready for tomorrow. You feed me?